Welcome to DIY Plus channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to, make or create, whatever you wanna call it, a shoe storage bin. Let's follow me. I'll show you step by step how to do that with something you have at home. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, I'm gonna use the angle mount safety gate. My kids doesn't use it anymore, so now I'm unscrew all that. Those are the hinge. So I remove right here. Okay, so I just take the measurement and then I'm gonna cut that. So now going to my compound miter saw Ryobi. It's a very good machine, very handy. If you want to do the DIY channel, it's good to have one of those. I cut and then that's it. So this is the rest of those shells. I have to make a third one because I have two right here, so I have to make a third one. And remember, I have to make sure they're equal and even, so I have to take the measurement. My measuring tape, this one is 11 inches. Okay, I have to make sure the third one I'm gonna make gonna be also 11 inches. And between those wall, you can see it's a 1.5 inches. So if I go like this, that should be fine. So here how I keep them together, I'm gonna use that Lepage glue. It's a really wood glue. It's very strong. If you wanna do like some wood project, guys, go use that. It's important. Alright, so I use my grip shrink here just to hold the glue in tight. I keep it for 15 minutes and it should be dry by 15 minutes, and then repeat the same thing for the other side. And then after 15 minutes I can remove all that grip and it's nice and strong. Look at that. Good. So now I have to make sure it's even, it's same size and everything. I place this one over. A micro porcina, like it's a 1x6 by 4 inches. It's a treated wood fence board. It's a white one, so I'm gonna just cut that to make the legs. Alright, so now take the measure and I'm gonna use my my circular sword just to cut that. There you go. Good. Perfect. So now I got the legs ready, I got my shelves ready, so I have to also make the holes for the shelves. So each shelf is gonna be like 1 foot each distance. So I'm gonna have 3. I got one at the top, one here, and then one bottom here, and then the rest gonna be just for the floor. Okay, so I have to make sure the hold it's really alignment. That's why I use precision square to make a good line and straight line. So and then with the same precision square, I'm gonna take that and half an inch, sorry, half inch to just make the holes, and just half an inch each. Because remember, you know, the measurement is important. Okay, so measurements is really important when you're doing that. All right, I got my drill bit here. I have to make sure it's also at least half an inch distance, a little bit more, just to make it go through. I'm using my drill here just to make all those holes. All right, this is my last one done. I repeat the same thing for my shells, just because when you put the screw, you don't want it to be broke. You don't want to break the wood, so it's better to make the little holes to make the screw get into easily, because it's a dry wood, so you don't want to break it. Using my 220 sandpaper sander, just dry that and then just quickly wipe it, and I paint it white. As you can see, it's all nice and ready to install. All right, here's the finish line. This is my screw I'm gonna use, so let's see how I do it first. There it is. So now, as you can see, I'll put one screw, but I'm gonna have to secure that with my 18 gauge nail gun, just because I don't want it to move. You have to be solid. Just one on each shelf and then it should be good. Just extra secure. This is it. So look how my entrance at my house was. So look at that. When you get in, you find all those shoes lying up here all over the place, the bags. It was messy and dirty. Look at that now. Beautiful. Easy to do, guys. Now I can put my bag, I can put my shoes here. You know, they don't have to be on the floor all over the place. Keep it nice and clean. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you for the next video coming soon. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming very soon. Bye.